to IGCSE Computer Science Algorithm tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to use a flowchart to solve the maximum algorithm. And we start off with a task which requires us to display the maximum of 10 numbers entered by the user. You could use a different approach from mine, whereby you may want to assign at the initial point a very small value to the largest variable. Let's say 0, a very high negative value like minus 99999, for instance. But I have decided that I want to use the first input entered by the user as the largest value. Then I will have to be comparing with the subsequent inputs. As usual, we are starting off with the start symbol of a flowchart, and we use the process symbol to initialize our count variable to 1. Here, next, we get the input and store the input in the largest variable. Using the decision symbol to control our loop, our condition will be based on whether count is still less than 10. If it is yes less than 10, then the user inputs a number, and the number is further checked to know if it is greater than the largest value. And if it is greater than the largest value, that number becomes the largest by assigning it to the largest variable and then incrementing the count by 1. But if it is not greater than the largest, it ignores and still increments the count by 1. Then afterwards, it goes back to check whether count is still less than 10. It continues until the 9th count, whereby it allows the user to enter a value and compares with the largest and updates accordingly, then increments the count by 1, making it 10. And at this point, it is no longer less than 10. Hence, the no path of this outermost decision is taken to display the largest value gotten. And finally, the program terminates. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.